Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Gladly Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create a simple staircase using simple steps in Sketchup. So to begin with, this is my architectural template file in inches, and I am going to my camera view and I will select parallel projection. And after selecting parallel projection, I am going to a standard and then we'll go to top and we'll cross check. This is in parallel projection, and now I am going to draw my steps. So we'll use rectangle tool here, and you are required to define the length of the stairs step and the width of the tread. So I am going to take tread as a 1 feet and length as a 3 feet. So I'm going to enter value 3 feet, 1 feet. You can take as 10 inch, 11 inches tread width also. So now I am going to my perspective mode here, and in perspective mode we'll extrude this, and I am going to use extrude command here, and I will extrude this to 6 inches. And now we'll select all of this and right click here and make a group, and then make a component. And after creating component and group, I am going to use move tool here, and I will select this end, and then I will press Ctrl on my keyboard to make a copy of this. You can see this plus sign, and we'll move to this level, and then I will enter at X to make a multiple copies. So this you can calculate according to your plan how much multiplication you need for your steps. So after making this, you are required to select any of these components, and you can double click here, and you are required to use push pull, but before that you can use control. After selecting push pull, you are required to press control, and then you are required to extrude this to this line level. And so now these are extruded to this level. So now after this I am going to create traditional stair. So I am going to bisect this. So I will use from this end to this end, and you can see everything is selected. Now again I will use this push pull, and I will select, and then I will take it inwards, and then I will click once. So that it is created. Our first flight is created here, and now I am going to create a group of all of this, and now I will right click here and I will make a group. So now we will create landing. So I am going to draw rectangle tool here, and I will provide the landing width as a 6 feet. You can take whatever you want, and we will enter 6 feet, comma, and width I will take as a 3 feet. Next is that we will extrude this also, and I will enter the slab height as a 6 inch. After this you can select everything, and you can make a group, and then you can make a component. Next step is that you can move this to this level, and our landing is created. So you are required to make the second flight. This is first flight, so you are required to reverse it in the opposite direction. So I will first copy this, and I will move this to next level. After selecting move tool, press control again, and you can see this plus sign, and you can move this to this level. Now we will rotate this in opposite direction. So I am going to use rotate tool here, and you'll see this is in horizontal plane. So now I'm going to click once here and we will rotate this with 180 degree. And now go to forward this and I will move this to this level. Now our next flight is created. You can see here we have created this staircase, and if you want to fill this gap here, this one, you can use again line tool here and we can create a slab here, and you can use orbit again, and you can use this pull and you can bring it till here. Now we have created this simple staircase. Now we will use stone material for our trade. So if you want to make a stone material here, you can go to your rectangle tool again and you can draw a rectangle here. Then you can use push pull and you can use the height of the stone. So I am going to use 1 inch and you can extrude it further to this direction. So I will enter 4 inches, 0.4 inches, and you can also extrude this to this end also. So depending upon your stone size, decide this. Now we'll over this, and I'm going to use 2-point arc here and we'll make a nosing profile here. We'll orbit this and I will extrude this profile. So this is just to make you familiar with the staircase. So now you can apply material also, and I'm going to use the tool here and I will apply any stone material here. So I'm going to use this one and you can apply this material. Create component so it will apply simultaneously. So now after this you can select all of this and you can right click here and you can make a group and then you can make a component. Next we'll do all of this. So I'm going to orbit this. So we'll go to LR projection and I will use move tool, and then I will select this end and I will press Ctrl to make a copy, and then I will select here and then I will enter at X again, and you can see we have created these copies here. So likewise you can repeat this for your next flight also. So this is the simple steps how to create a basic staircase in Sketchup. So you can use for your AutoCAD plan also. In the next video tutorial I will tell you how to use AutoCAD plan of the staircase and you can draw it easily. So this was a tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Sketchup. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.